Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to do an experiment. This fan, when you turn it on, it creates a humming sound, and that turns slow, or you can help it turn faster. This time I'm going to just clean the shafting and the bushing. I'm not going to replace anything, so let's see how it plays out. Okay, so let's remove the parts. As you can see, I have already repaired this before. Hopefully this would be a success. These are optional screws. I just put it to make it more stable. So you don't have to do that. I just did it for my own purpose because it's shaking. I'm going to remove this pin. I'm gonna try to sand this part and also this part. I have here a grit 1000 sandpaper. So I hope we can still make it work without the need to buy a new shafting and bushing. Let's just see. Just hold it tight and then try to turn this around. Maybe for 10-15 minutes. I'm now sanding the back part of the shafting. I'm not going to show you the entire process of the sanding process. Just put the sandpaper in here, hold it tight, and then turn it. Keep on turning until you feel it's really smooth. I'm going to clean the internal surface of that backside bushing, or the bushing at the backside. Just want to remove any dirt that have accumulated. This way you might be able to save a few amount of money before deciding on a repair. Okay, let's try to assemble it back. There seems to be enough freewheeling. You should try to turn it clockwise and counterclockwise every time you put a screw, just to check if it's going to turn or not, so you can adjust properly. You don't have to follow this. I just put it here because it's not stable. Before I forget, I need to put this back. Now let's test it. I'm going to press number 1. Now you can see it's turning without any assistance for it to run. No need some pushing to do. This is speed number 2, speed number 3. So we were successful in repairing this fan without buying anything. We just sanded the shafting and cleaned the bushing. So I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.